Hello there and welcome back to my channel, and in this video we want to quickly talk about seed achievements. Yes, you know that achievements are part of the criteria for you to receive the airdrop, so we want to look at the achievements for seed in this video right now. So how do you access the achievement page? So if you look up here, you see this three like with round circle with a circle there, so tap on it. Okay, so here you come to this place. Now, age, you can see the age of your account. The first one there, the type premium. Mine is premium. Then seed community, join seed community, join seed update for airdrop. So I join. I already joined, right? So the next one now, let me flip this. Let me flip this. All right, so follow combinator, follow our Twitter. So I follow. I know I'm following already, but let's just check. Yes, I'm following already, so I just go back. Okay, so the next thing we do now is to look at the achievements. Okay, so here is the first achievement there, Growth Guardian. Your spread the word efforts helped seed grow bigger. So opening, let's open it. And then, so this is where we now will claim the achievement badge. Your spread the word efforts helped seed grow bigger. So claim, so I claim that. Okay, so that's been claimed. Okay, now next I look at the next one, the Binance Voyager. Join our event partnership to receive the Binance Voyager. So I go over there. So here now, achievement badge, completing each task, our event to claim, completing each task in our event to claim this master badge. Already have an account and missed the badge, no worries, just complete KYC for the next big thing. So you can join the event if you have Binance. Now, my Binance is not active, so I may not really go to disturb myself on this, so I just let it be. Okay, next, let's go back here. Okay, so let's look at the next one, the Bybit Voyager. So let's check this. So the achievement badge, completing each task, our event to claim this master badge. Already have an account and missed the, no worries. So let me join the event. At least Bybit is still working. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to transfer this to the computer so that I can do that on the laptop. So I'm going to open Seed on the laptop, hoping that it could open there, right? So let's go there. All right, so like I said, I would continue from the desktop because I want it to be easier for me to be able to connect to the Bybit Voyager. So what I do again now, I'm here. So I'll tap on the Bybit Voyager. So it opens now. So I'm going to click here to join the event again. All right, so let me open. And now just understand that the important thing here for the airdrop is at least just an achievement badge. Just one achievement badge is enough, okay? But the more you have, the better. So you don't need to stress yourself. At least if you can get the Growth Guardian badge, the achievement badge, that will be enough, all right? So that is it. Go ahead and work on yours, okay, and get the badge, the achievement badge, and ready for the airdrop. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let's see you in the next. Thank you, and God bless you.